really happy with the temperature right now. I want the car lower than that. First day we get our first armored 100% bulletproof 126. This one has a warm-up regulator? No.
It's a 119. No, I don't think so.
We need to adjust the on cold because
that cold start.
See?
Yeah.
Whoop. Oh. See? Look. Well, I didn't drive it before, but the only complaint that they would give us was the overheating. So the first test what we did in the car was see if that fan clutch was enough hard to suck the air through the radiator to keep the car cool. That fan clutch didn't pass, so we put a new one, and that was blowing really hard. So we noticed the temperature was creeping up. So we decided to put a new thermostat because this car's been sitting for a long time, and then they don't drive it that much. So sometimes the thermostat gets stuck and they don't open. So that way we put a new thermostat, and that's what we did. And now we'll test it and see if everything what we did works, and the car is no overheating, you know. It gives us a better temperature. I'm not really happy with the temperature right now. I want the car lower than that. At least should be in the middle, and it's a little higher than the middle. It started getting hot, and the cooler light came on. But the smell is a little bit cooler.
Yeah, I can smell it.
It's wet here. We'll do the cooler flush, and then put the radiator and water pump. We got everything new already.
Yeah. Radiator, water pump.
Yeah.
What's the vibes?
Chilling, working on many a project, Sergio.
Good, good.
Also, my bank locked me out, so I had to deal with that old protocol.
What's up with banks?
They locked me out over sending a wire domestically. All the ones I send internationally, they don't care. I sent one to California, they're like, what's going on? Why are you sending it to a communist state?
Yeah, like why? Why? We don't like this.
Bitcoin, bro.
Bitcoin, bro.
The hood and the bumper were spray painted. Let's just spray paint the Maybach.
Yeah.
It seems like a great idea, Wally.
Where are you taking me?
I'm abducting you to
the stadium, I think you mean?
the Benz bunker, yes, correct. The thing that Batman dreams of.
All things hip.
This is the best part.
The smell. Yes. Yeah. I mean, look at this stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but
What
this
is
plate is
that?
bent down pretty badly, so. I'm gonna try to have them heat it up at the body shop and bend it back so it's flush. And then in addition to that, get it painted. Will do.
You want to show what car that bumper's for?
It's actually one of my favorites.
I love the interior on it.
That's exactly why. Very standard Mercedes color. I believe this is 040, so just non-black metallic, very clean. Beautiful with the monoblock wheels. These are like the Era 1s. So they have like the beefier spokes in between, which I love. This is my favorite wheel. My favorite monoblock wheel by far. And then,
And that interior, baby.
yeah,
Yeah.
this is just crazy. Point out on the ashtray, you see AMG right here. Yeah, that's another nice touch. Original radio, and then this here is the engine heater. So when it gets cold, you know, it's a nice added feature to have. We don't use it in Florida, but it's there.
All things hip.
What we got here?
Right now we got the Sun King in here. About to hit this back up. I already hit it up before, but the swirls are back a little bit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hit it with a little two-step correction, get it back right, and then condition the leather up, get the leather nice and moist, shiny, all that. I do want to hit up the BBS's, get those nice and shined up. And I might even end up ceramic coating the car itself, because this one does get used a lot more than like the other ones that we got. So this one, I'll go with like a medium pad, see how it does. If it doesn't do what I want it to do, then I'll either stick with a medium pad on this side and just go with a little more aggressive compound and see how it goes. But I do want to start lighter than as opposed to more aggressive, you know?
There you go, man. Good, man.
I got a gift for you. Oh, nice. There you go. So, let me tell you, I'll show you real quick. You see, got some cracking here, here, here. Peep this.
Oh my God, what the hell?
Here, and you see how this is bent out? I don't know if you can heat it up and get it. Should be flush, like it should be same line like that.
Yeah, I'll try and heat it up and see if I can bend it back.
Okay, cool. This is a Koenig Specials.
From Japan?
Yeah, from Japan originally, but it came from southern Germany. This one does not come with a hardtop, but it comes with original Koenig wheels. This car's from the Middle East. I mean, for a 140, C140, that's a very, very special color. Then
S72, yeah.
it's a big boy.
What's going on, fellas?
What's up, what's up?
Good morning, good morning.
We just cleaned out the exhaust, the whole guys, you know, because it was running like shit.
Yeah, dude, this thing ran like shit for probably years. You know what I'm saying? Like, we saw the fuel that came out of this.
Yeah.
This is our first startup with the new fuel system in it. I mean, this thing, when it came into the shop, it barely idled. Like, it wouldn't drive. You couldn't take it on the road. Like, it ran poorly. So we sent everything over to CIS Flowtech, and they rebuilt it, got it back to us in like a week, and I put it back together, and it's been running great all morning. I'm super excited.
Yeah, it's really smooth. You can hear the engine. Straight.
That's how it should be, right?
Yeah, solid.
The white smoke goes away after a while, right?
Yeah, it's gonna go away. You remember, the car's been running misfire like crazy.
Right.
So oil and fuel has been going to the engine.
Oh, okay, so it just has to burn.
You gotta burn all the exhaust, everything.
I'm pulling the turbo on this 300 GB. We're gonna have it sent out and rebuilt. It's kind of cool. We actually had the guy who built these things at AMG come in and talk about them. He was amazed. He's like, I didn't think I'd ever see one of these again. Always there was a handful of these made, but I've never even heard of this type of vehicle before seeing it here. I absolutely lost my mind.
Yeah, I mean, my lighting is good, but I just missed this spot.
Okay.
Because we usually go through the whole thing.
It's fine. I'd rather do it now than like in 3 months.
No. Are you going to have somebody to do this?
Well, I can use your guy.
Huh?
If you trust me, I'll use your guy.
I mean, they're good, but you have to bring it over there.
Of course. I want you to bring it there after you're done with it.
I can do it. I mean, if you this is what he quoted me.
I'm fine with that money. 875.
Yeah, it's something.
That's fine. With the bumper and this.
Yeah.
Yeah. The way I look at it is $1,200. The whole car looks good.
Right. Okay. So let me do this. Tomorrow morning I'll pick this up. I'll correct that and I'll
take it to.
What's going on, guys? Today's a big day, a real special day. Today we get our first armored 100% bulletproof 126.
said the car is only 1,100 pounds.
I believe it.
No,
It's
I'm
just a
kidding. I'm
Miata.
kidding, bro. It's 6,000, bro.
How does the electronic window even come up anymore?
That's a pretty sweet car, man.
Thank you, buddy. Alright, so this car right here is really special, guys. I've been looking for an armored car like this for many years. Obviously knew about them in the Middle East, knew about them, you know, when I went to Germany and all that, but never actually seen one in person. So to see one in person for the first time and owning it is insane. So the Patina Collective got it now, so it's in secure hands. This is to talk to people outside, you know what I mean? So you can be like, get away from my car, or like, take your best shot, motherfucker. You know what I mean? But yeah, cool story about this car. So
to pay for university and I guess my siblings' university tuition as well, we started a business like importing stuff from Russia, mostly Land Rover Defenders and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But you know, we have people like him or trying to get armored stuff as well.
Nice.
You know, Russia is like an untapped market. Right?
So you guys found it in Russia and we're like, yo,
Yeah.
Vico, like we got this.
well, I know him from Canada. He got me my first 500 SL AMG. So I met him when I bought that car, and then we always kept contact when I moved to Florida and I started doing the Patina Collective. And then he told me, he's like, hey, I got this car. Would it be of interest to you? It's a 126 Guard, B6, I believe, or maybe B7. Bulletproof from Russia. He's like, I want to buy it, but I want to buy it only if you want it, and I'm gonna ship it to Canada first, make sure it checks out, everything's good, and then I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna send it to you guys in Florida. So as you can tell, we're in Florida right now. It's hot as hell. I'm in a bulletproof car. Shout out to my boy Angie. We'll take that one out, and put it there, and then that one there. Let's do it now. Have no choice. Because we have to be in the garden. The guardian.
All things hip.
That's insane. It's like a piece of concrete. Holy shit.
And look at that. See the border of the door, how fat it is?
Yeah.
It's insane. It's a real Mercedes Guard car.
It's pretty wild.
Mint condition too. No rust, nothing. Hey, it's beautiful.
You have to turn the car
Keys
on.
in my pocket. I got the key with it. You know that's a.
That never goes down that low in a
I
bulletproof
know.
car.
It's like this usually.
Yeah, and that never goes down that low. Holy shit. That's really special. It never goes down. It just crack a little bit.
Guard.
Put it back up.
Look how fast it goes up.
Wow.
The regular window barely goes up that fast.
Definitely kill
Change
you.
all the motors.
Sick. The rear windows go too, or just
Think about it.
leave the windows open. Looks way sicker.
Yeah, leave it down.